Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain you how to draw a hyperbola, as a lot of you in my videos are commenting as to draw a hyperbola, and why not make one? Let's go! So in this video I'm going to explain this particular question in order to understand how to draw hyperbola in AutoCAD. So for this question, this will be the final result and this is how the hyperbola will look like. So before understanding how to do this, let's understand one thing. The eccentricity of hyperbola is 3/2. So first we'll draw a directrix and then an axis. So how do you point this point V vertex? So here you can see the numerator 3 from right to left, that is from focus point. You can see 3 parts it is divided. You can see the 1, 2, 3 I have divided in 3 parts. That is nothing but the numerator 3 parts, and from the denominator 2 parts from the directrix to the vertex V. So this is how we will plot the point V. So let's try to do it. First we'll take a line, draw a directrix. So make sure you on that ortho mode, and next take line again and draw the axis with a distance of 70 millimeter as it is given in the question. Based on the question you need to change it. And next, so when you just calculate that, you'll get, you get this, something like that. So as per the question, we have drawn the directrix and the focus point distance from directrix is 70. Now we will type div in order to divide the line into 5 parts, because 3 plus 2 from numerator and denominator will get 5. So as I have explained you, we will be plotting the vertex point V. So if you type OSNAP, you can get the these things. Please check it in order to get accurate things. And P type is to select the point type. Sometimes your intersection points might not be visible, so it is important to select a particular intersection point type. So since the question says eccentricity is 3/2, as I explained you, we will be plotting the focus point as F and also the vertex point as V, dividing the 3 parts, like as I said, from focus to the vertex and from directrix to the vertex as 2 parts. So this is how the vertex and the focus will be plotted. Now you need to take a circle from vertex to the focus as a radius, and from point V, draw a line to the intersection of that particular circle. Now you need to draw another line from this point. Make sure you turn off the ortho and then connect it with that particular point. Now type TR and double enter and remove all the unnecessary parts. Now that we've done, just click on to that lengthen option, right click, and you can get that option and you just lengthen it. And similar way we will do it for axis, and then type offset and let's say 10 units distance, and select this particular object and move, drag and move, click, drag, move and click to the right side. And then you type extend, double enter, and select all these lines to extend it in this particular way. Now that we've done this, remove the unnecessary parts wherever it is. And now we're gonna do the same thing, tracing out. Okay, so now that we've finished, now we need to label these lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the labeling part, I'm gonna make it quick because I care about your time. So now the main thing comes. Take a circle and from point 1 to 1 dash as a radius, select that circle's center and place it to the point F, the focus, and take the intersection point to the line where it intersects to the 1 and 1 dash, just like we do for ellipse and parabola. In the similar way, we will be plotting the intersection point for 2 to 2 dash and 3 to 3 dash and placing it to the focus and then cutting it in that particular lines. So I hope you all understood what I'm trying to explain. In the similar way, we have to do this particular intersecting points for all the lines till 10 to 10 dash, or how many lines, it depends on how many lines you will be drawing. So let's quickly do this so that we can move on further. So this is how it goes. Place the points to those lines and place the center to the focus, and then intersecting points, you're gonna get these intersecting points. So this is how it looks like. Now once we have finished with these intersecting points, you can see the option spline. Connect all these dots, the intersecting points, and after connecting we can get the hyperbola. So we need to connect each and every intersecting point that we've got, and then right click, enter. That option you have to select, and now you just select like this, like simply drag it from that particular direction, and you can see the option mirror. From this point to that end you have to select and click on no, because you don't want to delete the upper part so that it remains. We have to choose the option no, and this is how it looks like. So you can add the labels, directrix and axis. So I've drawn the same diagram 2 times, one to explain and one to test. So in this way we need to draw the hyperbola diagram. For this particular question, this is how the hyperbola will look like. And all the best for your exams. Thanks for watching.